Today we are going to draw and color gift box which starts from the letter G. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a black sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So let's start. First we are going to draw a square. Draw a rectangle a little bit lengthier by it. Now, in the center, we are going to draw two lines like this to show the ribbon. The line in between, we are going to erase. Like this. Now we are going to draw a vertical line like this and one more beside it. Inside it, we'll draw the same shape. We have drawn this just to show that it is tied. Now we are going to outline it with a black sketch pen. And now we will color this. For the ribbon, I will take purple color. Take the color red and I'm going to color the rest of the box. Here, I have made this line a little vertical. This is down and this is up. So for it is not proper. So I'm going to take the black sketch pen again and I'm going to mark the line.
shadow
was a little slanting. That's why I have made this to cover it. It also shows that it is like a shadow. And now our gift box is ready. It is good to send a gift in a gift box. It can be decorative and it can be shiny also. Thanks for watching.